Hey, Lil J, why don't you show them what we got today?
Alright, I'll show you real quick what we got. So today we're replacing these old valves with the new valves. So how do we go from going from this to now going to this right here? It may be a little bit crooked, but we'll show you how to get it straight. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, as every good plumber knows, you need to get all your tools ready, you need to get everything right, including measurements, because the last thing you want is to break open a wall and something's not there.
Hey, Lil J, you want to tell them about that story where you cut open to a wall and come to find out it was a neighbor's house?
No, Unc, I think I'm not going to tell him that story today. We'll save that for another day, though. But as I was saying, make sure you take all your proper measurements because that's the last thing you want to do is open up a neighbor's wall and then you're throwing hands with the grandma. All right, so you see over here, we're doing 6 inches over to the sides and 10 inches above just so we can have a good square. Alright, so now that we pretty much know where we're going to be cutting, make sure you get your level, your multi-tool, level all that out, and make it a perfect box as you can. If you have a pencil, use a pencil. If you have a Sharpie, use a Sharpie.
Yeah, no, back in my day, we used to just cut open holes, and if the pipe was there, ooh, it was a good day. Our motto was, the sheetrockers would take care of it.
As good as that sounds, the sheetrockers do not appreciate just random holes cut, and especially if they're not evenly cut. So we try to do our best to cut them perfectly just to make everybody's job and life easier. In this video, I forgot to show the first valve being installed, but I have the rest of it with the whole crimping and measuring and all that stuff recorded for you guys. So everything will be full for the second valve that I have for you guys. So enjoy.